What about the organization? What about the planning of your private tour?
The drivers have been magnificent. The tour guides have been excellent, and we've been on a lot of tours in our life, and because that's the way we do things. We want to be spoon-fed. We want to be taken care of, and this is right up there with the best of them.
Sicily is beautiful, but the people are more beautiful. We have Rosella, Gianca, Maria, Michael. It's been a fantastic, hospitable experience. We loved every minute of it, and these are great people. We'll be back with friends.
Yes, we will.
This is a custom, bespoke experience. He gets to know you and understand what you want before the tour takes place.
They have planned the experience of a lifetime for me. I don't know how I would have done it without them. I don't know how
Uncle
I would have
John.
done it.
Uncle John.
They have become family. That's right. Yeah.
I emailed many people, and I found the richest and sweetest and nicest people who not only understood my needs, but put together a seamless, beautiful experience that all we've had to do is go to sleep at night and have breakfast in the morning. And it's all been done for us in the most beautiful and warm way I could ever have imagined.
This is our first trip to Italy and Sicily. It has been a wonderful experience.
We did not know what to expect, and then we found Gianca and
Rosella, yeah.
and it was perfecto.
To be honest, I recommend a tour anywhere with you.
Thank you.
Modica is lovely. Every place we've been has been lovely. I've enjoyed this day, and it's not over.
Jean Carmine and myself and my family, he took 16 of us and he introduced us to Sicily, both on the west coast as well as the east coast. He also went ahead and on his own introduced me to family that I have never known before, and since then we have been in constant contact. So I've found new friends and new family, and the only way to see this country is with somebody that's on the ground here.
Well, it's been fantastic. The tour guides that we, Giancana and all the other group, it's been fantastic. It's been great up till now. We've been to Rome and Naples and now Palermo, and it's just incredible. And we're going to continue having a great time and meeting great people here in Italy. So it's fantastic.
My name is John Mercurio. Traditional Italian background, and I've been wanting to come here to Sicily for so long, and I got in touch with Gianca and Rosella, and I let them know what I had found out about my roots as far as I found out, and they began to help me, and it's incredible how much work they did to help me find my roots here in Termini Immersi. It's been an incredible experience here, just that aspect of it. It was the first 2 weeks of my trip just doing the search. From then on, Gianca put an incredible tour on for me.
I'm Robert Witherow. I'm from New York. My family is from Youngstown, Ohio, and Youngstown, Ohio was a place where lots and lots of Sicilian people were deposited in the 20s to go and work for the railroad. And they came from Sicily, and now I'm driving around Sicily and I can't imagine why they left. That you can imagine, and it's spectacular and beautiful, and really it's a puzzle to me, and that's why I'm here, because I want to know what it was like to be here and why they left, and I probably won't ever know the answer to that. And we have a wonderful tour guide, Gianca, and a wonderful driver.
We made that first step, we booked the trip, and here we are live with them. It has been phenomenal. You'll feel so comfortable, so safe, so well taken care of. They've made everything just so perfect. We're coming back. This is our first time, but it's not our last time.
We'll be back with our entire family.
Would you like to say something about your experience?
I'm speechless.
No.
Exceptional.
Yes.
Do you like the company that we chose to show us?
Yes, it's fantastic. It's amazing.
Excellent. I love the people, the guides, the drivers. I love the whole family.
It is more beautiful than what you imagined. I never imagined it to be so beautiful.
Everything's beautiful. It's a trip of a lifetime.
It couldn't have been better. The food was fabulous throughout the whole trip. The wine, and I've gained 2 kilos.
Thank you for being here. Thank you for choosing us, and I hope you enjoy your trip back to your homeland.
I will. Thank you for your help.
Thank you for arranging all of this. We could never do this without Rosella and Gianca.
You were the man. We're having a great time. Gianca, he's the man.
Thank you for our tour guides and the tour companies that made this possible. Thank you so much.
You must come here. It is beautiful. I will tell everybody you cannot miss the opportunity to come here. You will never forget them.
Please stop work. You know, like me, I worked and every day and always think about going. But stop work. Take the opportunity while you still can. You're still young enough to experience this beautiful island.
The only way to see Sicily is with a great tour guide, and I cannot recommend enough Round Trip Consulting.
You enjoy yourself to the end.